Frustrated with restricted access to your DERIV account? I've got the solution. Hey traders, if you're in the US, Canada, Dubai, Israel, the UK, or Malaysia, accessing DERIV accounts can feel like an impossible mission. But don't worry, we're here to tackle it head-on. First things first, to get started with a new account you need a VPN. This is crucial to hide your IP address and bypass those annoying location restrictions. Next, a fully verified DERIV account is a must. That's where I come in. I'll guide you through the verification process with valid documents. Already have a blocked account? No problem. A working VPN and my expertise can help you unblock it. I know how frustrating it is when your money's locked and you can't make withdrawals. But don't stress. I've helped countless traders get back on track. For more details and to get in touch, check the description below. You can call or WhatsApp me at +27 600 470 30349 or text me on Telegram at @MFOGiven. Remember, opening, unblocking, or verifying your DERIV account in restricted countries doesn't have to be a headache. With the right tools, a VPN, a fully verified account, and my support, you'll be back to trading your favorite synthetics in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay blessed.